What is the petrodollar system? Before trying to understand the petrodollar system, let us see what are the ways and means through which America maintains its global financial hegemony. America, apart from being the world's largest economy, also wields a considerable amount of structural power. Structural power is the power which a country exercises through its control over international institutions. International financial institutions like the Bretton Woods twins, the World Bank and the IMF, the World Trade Organization, along with several other international institutions which deal with finances, are controlled by US through its voting rights and voting powers. Further, another very important pillar of American financial domination is the petrodollar system. The petrodollar system was introduced for the first time in 1974 by the American statesman Henry Kissinger. Through this system, America convinced oil-rich countries like Saudi Arabia to engage in oil trade using dollar as the means. In exchange for this, America guaranteed protection to these countries. This established dollar as the main medium of exchange initially for oil trade and later for all foreign trade. Dollar emerged as the global reserve currency. Global community of nations were more and more coveting dollar because dollar was kept stable. Dollar became a hard currency. Dollar became the most important means for conduct of international trade. And dollar is a requirement for countries which wanted to access oil reserves. It was this petrodollar system which made every other country earn dollar, while at the same time America, as said by several strategic experts, was enjoying exorbitant privilege of printing the currency called the dollar. So while America had the exorbitant privilege of printing the dollar, every other country across the world was having to earn it. This made America the most powerful financial hegemony ever in human history.